Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for Black Shark 5 Pro. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. From here we'll need to start search for an app and enter NotifyBuddy. Click on the button again. Here select this app and then install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here, move to the next step, and you'll need to grant 3 permissions for this app. So first one is phone permission. Simply click allow, then overlay permission. Here we'll need to find the NotifyBuddy and allow display over the other apps. Go back. Do the same thing with notification permission. But in this case, we'll need to wait about 10 seconds till we'll be able to change that. Go back. You can also disable battery optimization, but it's optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and here click on OK. Now we'll be able to change any of the settings for this app. So in the user tab you can pick any app to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. In the system you can find any system bound apps. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can change everything about the LED lamp, like its color, placement on the screen, shape, size, time between blinking, all kinds of stuff, but some of them are protected by a premium version of this app, so you will need to buy it. Now let's click on the test, and here we'll be able to see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.